Today is Memorial Day. I would like to take the time to thank anyone who has ever fought at war, the people that are fighting for our country to this day, and to anyone who has lost their lives to make this country the best country possible. What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it on Friday. We're back with another video. I ended up taking a couple days off because we are restructuring the company. We are adding so much education to it. Dimitri and myself were recording so many videos, and we are back ready to go. So first things first, I'm going to be going over the trades we ended up taking on Friday. In hindsight, Friday was an easy day. I ended up making a decent amount of money, very pleased. First things first, I'm going to go over the first trades I ended up taking. And if you've been watching my video for a while, you're going to know exactly what trades we ended up taking. But for right now, guys, as soon as we opened up in the morning, first things first, we ended up breaking through 528. As soon as we brought 528, we were looking extended. We ended up gapping up. We were making higher highs, right? But there wasn't a decent pullback, right? I thought we would at least test this low, if not this low, if not fill this gap from the pre-market and after hours gap. So as soon as we opened up in the morning, guys, we ripped up. I ended up bringing 528 puts right in the money, right? 528 is right here. As soon as we ripped through 528, I bought 528 puts, brought them right back in the money. The next trade I ended up getting into, 528.18. This was a massive level that we have been eyeing, especially when we were above. We were looking for calls of 528.18. Now that we were beneath 528.18, as soon as we came back up to it, first reaction, I ended up hitting the puts, and you guys know I buy where I'm supposed to buy and I sell the move. I don't care what happens. I ended up shorting at the best spot possible, made 15 or 16 cents on that trade alone. The next trade we ended up getting into, guys, if you're just watching my key levels, look at every level. We have touch points at every single level. 528.18, the next big level we had is 528.69. We broke through 528.69. Look where we ended up coming back to. But look at the first reaction of 528.69. As soon as we came up to it, you hit the puts and you banked. This red line is a 200 EMA. We broke through it. We did not retest it. I'm on the 5-minute time frame, and that is how I trade. The next trade we ended up getting into, guys, this was a little bit more of a difficult trade, but if you had the right contracts, you would have banked. The biggest psychological level that we had, 530. I've been telling you guys and stressing this. It's the biggest psychological level at the range we are currently trading at. 530, very big. We broke up at 530. Dimitri and myself, we hit the puts, guys, brought them right back deep in the money. And that is it. That is trading. You need to have a game plan when it comes to trading. You need to mark all your levels down. And you need to make a game plan. And you need to follow the game plan. 530 was my level. Just look at the reaction that we had. We dropped a full dollar. If you would have bought in at 530 puts like we did, they went deep in the money by $1. And if you took no trades this morning, this was the best level to be trading at 530. It didn't happen once. It happened twice, 3 times, 4 times at the same level. 530 is a massive psychological resistance level at the moment. Who knows where we're going to open in the morning, but this is the biggest level that you're going to be wanting to trade at tomorrow. So add 530 to your chart. The next level we're going to be adding is going to be the previous closing price. SPY ended up closing at 529.44. 529, okay. There you go. Ready? So as you guys know, I make it a dotted line, I make the lines a little bit bigger, and I make them red. So this red dotted line is the previous closing price of today. I plan on hitting the gap close reversal. If we end up gapping up in the morning, once we come right back down to previous closing price, PCP, if you ever hear me say it, that's what it means, the previous closing price. We come down to it, I'm going to be hitting calls at that level. If we end up gapping down and come up to the previous closing price, I'm going to be hitting puts on the first reaction. That's pretty much it. The big levels I'm watching is 530, 529.44. We have strong resistance and touch points at 528.69. And then we have yesterday's lows, right? We have 528.18, massive level, and then 527. That is what I'm going into tomorrow. So if you would like to keep updated with these price action guys and the best trades possible. Like, comment, subscribe. We have a 40% off deal going on right now. Use code HAPPYDAD at checkout, HAPPYDAD. This discount that we have right now is available for the next 2 weeks. If you'd like to take advantage of it, guys, the link is in the bio. Remember, what we do at the Daily Sniper is we teach you how to be a profitable options trader. There's been a lot of noise happening lately with funded accounts, so we're trying to get away from that. If you do trade futures, it's okay, guys. You can still follow along, but options is the way to go. Apex and funded accounts have way too many rules, guys. You want to be able to use your own capital. We will teach you how to be self-sufficient traders. That is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I will be back on live stream tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. on YouTube. Put the notification bell on, guys, and I'll see everyone there. Take care.